Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing pretty well out there. I come here to show you a little bit of the product I use to dye my flowers with. Okay, this is called Absorbit and it's by Design Masters. Okay, we have here green, the fuchsia, the yellow, lavender. We also have the purple. We're missing the blue, which I run out, but I come here to give you some pointers and how to use this product and do your cons and pros on them. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see, this hydrangea is actually yellow and pink. If you want to see how I did this hydrangea with the dye colors, I have another video for it. Okay, you see the cover was a yellow hydrangea with the pink. This is done through observation, and you can see the color looks orange on the stem, but it actually comes out a different tone. And that's when you mix color. Okay, so another way to do this is actually to get you a hydrangea and actually dip it in coloring itself. So, using the same product from Absorbit, okay? So, to change your product, you could just dip it and you will get a certain color. Just make sure that you're not going to be having hydrangeas outside because if it rains, okay, all that coloring is going to fall into your table. So, you don't want that, okay? Okay, so when doing this, make sure you remove as much of the excess paint out. That way you will have less watermarks. Okay, so don't be afraid to use a little bit of force, a little bit of gravity in order to remove more paint from the hydrangea. And now we're gonna put it to air dry for a few, probably like half an hour to an hour, and see what's gonna happen. Well, here we have the two examples. It was the same color in the same bucket. One was through observation that you see it, and then the other one was done into dipping into the color, and now we got two different colors. So also the process has to do a lot also with the color. Okay, so if this process is too long for you, you can always use the can, okay, to dye your flowers. It's actually by Design Master, but just make sure it says for cut flowers, and I'm going to give you an example right now. Okay, so I'm gonna give an example of what the can will look like. I only got one hand, so it's not gonna be my best painting. The other hand is right now with the cell phone, but it has its cons and pros. When you do by can, you know it's gonna be fast. It's gonna be ready within 5 minutes, and you're gonna have your color for the event. The cons are that it's not gonna look natural, as if the flowers were taking the product through the stem. Oh yeah, and quick reminder, if you use the can, you're always gonna have some white spots.